Listed. The word listed is an adjective that is commonly used to describe something that has been included or recorded in a list. It indicates that an item, person, or thing has been specifically mentioned or documented in a systematic manner. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of listed. 1. The book contains a listed of recommended reading materials. In this example, listed is used to convey that the recommended reading materials have been included in a list within the book. 2. The job description listed the required qualifications. Here, listed suggests that the required qualifications for the job have been explicitly mentioned or outlined in a list format. 3. The menu listed various appetizers, entrees, and desserts. This sentence indicates that the menu contains a list of different appetizers, entrees, and desserts that are available for order. 4. She checked off each item as it was listed on the inventory. In this case, listed implies that the items were recorded in a list format on the inventory, and she marked them off as she found them. 5. The website listed the upcoming events for the month. The use of listed here suggests that the website provided a list of the events that are scheduled to take place in the upcoming month. Overall, listed is used to describe something that has been included or documented in a list. It helps to convey that the mentioned items are part of a systematic compilation, making it easier to organize and understand information.